What's up, guys? So today we're gonna try to tackle just a little bit of preventative maintenance. What was it? So I know y'all remember the good old Integra foam hood of the FC on top of it. What we're doing today is we are going to swap the head gasket out. Nothing super wrong with it. I would just like to be a little bit more, not necessarily more confident, but it's an older engine. It's a cheap part. Why not do it? Plus, whenever I sell it, the buyer will know that this thing is 100% good to go. So let's go ahead and knock that out today. All right, so first thing we're going to do right now, we're going to see if we can get the exhaust manifold off. Just so that if we can get it off and get it actually off the head of the car, you won't have to lift up the front of the car and undo the up pipe going to it. So here, let's see if we can get it going. So as you can see right here, you have a mixture of bolts and nuts, some 13 mil, some 12 mil. That's just how I got this thing. But in any case, what we're going to do is we're going to find out, see if we can get these out and get this thing to shimmy out some. Hopefully we'll have enough play to get this thing moving. It's hard to do one-handed, but we'll get it done. So we got all the nuts and bolts out. Let's see if we can get this thing to move. Oh, okay, it's coming out a little bit. And are we hitting something? Nah, hold on. Let's see if we can get it. So this is the first time this has ever worked, but the exhaust on this thing is so, best word to use is vintage, that we could just pull it straight off and just drop it down with the entire exhaust system intact. So maybe I should probably get something fancier in the future. Who knows? All right, so next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and take off this power steering pump. So it should be a 13 mil, 13, 14 mil. We'll find out. It shouldn't take long. Now we're gonna take off most of the, actually we're gonna try to take care of all the coolant hoses going to the head. So we got this right here, coming from the radiator, coming from the heater core. Then we got a couple Johnnies back over in this area. So shouldn't be too hard to do. Some of them kind of loop back into the intake manifold itself, so shouldn't be too hard to take care of. But in any case, we'll get it going. So then after that, start unhooking electronics and the fuel line, and we should be good to moving around some stuff. So special sauce. All right, so now got the coolant hoses off the head. Boom, boom, boom. So one of the things you want to make note of when you're doing this is kind of keep a good sense of smell. If you take off a hose and it smells like exhaust fumes or kind of like fuel, then you might have a failed head gasket. So you can go ahead and continue with what you're doing. However, if you don't see anything wrong with your coolant, you could have an air pocket in there, or an even bigger air pocket now, or it could be something less minor. So always keep a good nose and a good ear out for things you smell and hear. Maybe subtle things, but they can really be a big indicator of what's going on. All right, so next thing we're gonna do now, gonna take off some of the vacuum hoses, like that one for the brake booster. Undo some of the electrical connections, such as the ones for the TPS IACV and the various fuel injectors, as well as the distributor. Once we do those, we can go ahead and take off the valve cover and then start working on those cams. Alright, so now we got most of the electronics out the way. Got the distributor and spark plug wires off. Got all the connections for the fuel injectors off. Got the harness out the way. What else? Got pretty much everything really kind of holding a lot of stuff in already taken care of. So all we gotta do now is start taking off the valve cover and then start taking out the cams so we can get this head off. Alright, so now we get to the fun part. So now, gotta take off all those cam bolt covers. Then once we get those off, we can go ahead and take the head off. So cool. Oh, also gotta take off the timing belt too, so yeah. Money.